Hello, friends. Welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In this video, I'll be sharing with you biotechnology and personalized medicine notes. I'll be making various parts for this subject, so you can just check the playlist. So, in this video, we will study about in brief like the history and the introduction to personalized medicine. So, to start with, the very two important words are first pharmacogenetics and pharmacogenomics. I've underlined them and they're very important as well. The main difference is that pharmacogenetics means a specific genes, whereas in pharmacogenomics, it means all the genes are involved in the influence for drug response. As this subject is very confusing and we do not get any specific particular matter to study, so I've compiled all the matter. If you go through these notes, it will be more than enough. I have made some key points which are in my writing, so those are very important. When you go through this video, do not forget to study them thoroughly. I'll not be explaining each point in detail, but I'll be telling you what all is important and what all you have to study. So, now the next is the history of personalized medicine, and there were two main key discoveries, that is, of SNP and biochip. The biochip is also called as DNA microarray, which basically uses a silicon chip technology and optics to be used to monitor gene expression. We can use a single microarray experiment and the expression level of 20,000 to 1 lakh genes can be examined. It is used for gene monitoring and gene expression. And they both come in biomarkers, that is the first step to identify a biological trait by using fluorescent label dyes. The next important discovery was of single nucleotide polymorphism. SNPs basically changes in the DNA sequence that are particularly frequent in the population and account for 90% of all the known polymorphisms. In exams, they may ask you to write a short note on SNP or the biomarker or maybe the two main discoveries in personalized medicine. Now we'll go to the next one, that is the future of personalized medicine. Another important topic from exam point of view is Ginsburg and McCarthy's statement. They stated that personalized medicine intersects with the course of a patient's disease at 6 major points. And they are predisposition, screening, diagnosis, and prognosis, pharmacogenomics, and monitoring. So, personalized medicine can be used to analyze a patient's genome to predict his or her likelihood of developing a specific illness that can direct decision making about preemptive intervention. The topics which are double ticked are very important. The next one is DXRX paradigm. This requires genetic or biomarker testing before prescription writing. That is first a diagnosis and then pharmaceutical. Identifying tests that can help target these drugs to only those patients that benefit most has great value in chemical area. Personalized medicine is used for diagnostic and screening method for better management of individual patients, and it also helps in enabling risk assessment, diagnosis, prevention and therapy. Another important topic is the three beneficiaries, that is the patient, the pharmaceutical industry and the society. Basically, the personalized medicine will change the way individuals learn about their health and lead to more involvement of patient in managing their therapy and taking or tracking patients' activity during and after treatment. So in this video, we had an introduction about personalized medicine, the history of it, the two important discoveries, as well as the three beneficiaries. If you find these videos useful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get the latest update. Thank you.